Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this delicious ratatouille lasagna. This is a classic Italian dish that's full of flavour and great for the whole family to enjoy. Now with a few simple ingredients you can make this dish in absolutely no time. So grab your aprons and let's get started. Start with a deep frying pan and we're going to spray it with some low calorie cooking oil. Into this we're going to add one large onion that's been finely diced, half a red pepper, half a yellow pepper that has been finely diced, and 200 grams of diced aubergine. Now we'll season that with some salt and pepper and we'll fry for 7 to 10 minutes until the vegetables are really softened. Now we're going to add 200 grams of courgettes and 4 cloves of crushed garlic and we'll fry that for another 2 minutes. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notifications and watch to the end for further videos. Now to the vegetable mix I'm going to add 400 gram tin of chopped tomatoes, 1 tablespoonful of tomato puree, 5 chopped basil leaves, 1 tablespoonful of freshly chopped parsley, a pinch of dried thyme, a pinch of dried oregano, and half a tablespoonful of maple syrup. Now we'll cook that for 3 to 4 minutes just until the sauce starts to thicken. And then I'll season with some salt and pepper and I'll just set it to the side. Now we're on to the cheese sauce. So in a saucepan I'm going to add 100 milliliters of vegetable stock, 300 milliliters of semi-skim milk, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoonfuls of corn flour, and we're going to gently cook, stirring well until the sauce thickens. Now I'm going to add 30 grams of grated cheese and stir well until it's melted in. Now let's build a lasagna. So I'm going to pour half the ratatouille mixture into a 9-inch square baking dish and I'm going to top with lasagna sheets. Then I'm going to add the remaining ratatouille mix and top it with some more lasagna sheets. Now we'll pour over the cheese sauce and we're going to top this with 50 grams of grated cheddar and 50 grams of grated mozzarella cheese. Now over to a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade or 60 fan and we're going to bake that for 30 minutes. Then we'll take it out and we'll place it under the grill for a couple of minutes just to brown up. Let the lasagna rest for about 5 minutes and then it's time to serve. Now I've just served my lasagna on a plate with some homemade garlic bread. Now folks, again, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my further videos.